Have you ever wanted to buy everything you see at the store? Well, Mia, Jamal, and Lily know exactly how that feels. Today, they're going on a money adventure to learn the secret superpower called budgeting. At the park, Mia shakes her piggy bank. I want to buy snacks. Jamal waves his comic book. But I want this too. Lily, spinning her wheelchair, says, we need a plan so we don't run out of money. Just then, their kind neighbor, Mr. Kim, smiles and says, a plan for your money. That's called a budget. It's like making a list of what you'll do with your coins and cash. At the community center, the kids spread out paper and pencils. Mr. Kim explains, a budget helps you decide how to use your money. You write down how much you have and what you need or want. Jamal nods. So, if I choose snacks and save for my comic, that's a budget? Exactly, Mr. Kim says. Budgeting means making smart choices. Mia counts $10 from dog walking, Jamal has $8 from helping his dad, and Lily has $6 from her art sales. That's $24 total, she says proudly. Mr. Kim nods. Step 1 of budgeting, count what you have. The kids cheer and high-five. At the grocery store, temptation strikes, chips, soda, and a shiny toy. Chips are a need for our picnic, Mia says. But the toy is a want, Lily adds wisely. Jamal writes on his paper, need, snacks. Want, toy. Back at the community center, the kids make their picnic budget. $12 for snacks, Mia says. I'll save $4 for my comic, Jamal adds. And $4 to give to the pet shelter, Lily smiles. Mr. Kim claps proudly. That's a perfect budget. Spend, save, and share. At the store, Jamal spots a cool keychain. He sighs. I want it, but it's not in our budget. Lily nods. A budget helps you say no to extra stuff. They buy their snacks and stay under budget. The kids put $4 in Jamal's comic jar, $4 in savings, and gave $4 to Ms. Rivera at the pet shelter. Your budget helped animals, Ms. Rivera says. Budgeting feels awesome, Mia grins. At last, picnic time. The kids laugh, eat snacks, and play soccer under the sunny sky. Our budget made this perfect, Jamal says. And we still have money saved, Lily adds. Now it's your turn. What will you budget for? If you loved this adventure, hit like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend who loves saving and sharing too. Remember, you're the hero of your own money story.